Oh, this is AUD USD. Okay, I don't really like this area. I would prefer to see higher areas. Reason why is here this could act kind of as a resistance, and therefore I see price going higher, at least for now. This is GBP USD 15 minutes time frame. Yes, just 15 minutes is kind of big for the setup we are looking at. I would have looked already right here. This demand fails, possible entries. We didn't get any entry though. So this demand fails. This is the demand that broke structure and it fails. Unfortunately, there was no retracement to supply after failing the demand. What do you think about bearish continuation on GBP CAD? From that supply, I don't like that supply personally. This is 15 minutes. This supply doesn't manipulate anything. Better the one above, at least. But yeah, of course, bearish continuations can play out. We are overall bearish, as I said. GBP CAD overall bearish. Very bearish for days, as you can see. For the past days, we've been just in this downtrend. GPCHF, we have another question. This is 1 hour, perfect. This is very nice. Structure, perfect. Now, we're not sure that we will stop at this supply, but this supply, of course, looks good above this liquidity. And yeah, looks very good actually. How do I share my chart? You send the link of the chart. All right. Other than this, which is not really giving us any signs of real structure, let's see some other opportunities. KJPY, nothing. NZD, JPY, same. GBUSD, EURUSD, not really interested in anything. NZD CAD bearish overall. Just looking if there is any GPEG CAD we covered already. GP, JPY, we will look at this supply. I'll look at that supply once it is reached. Of course, higher supply is better because it manipulates and breaks structure. This supply is, I prefer it less, but I will still keep a look at it because it is still at a premium price overall right here. EURUSD, this is one pair that you really don't want to trade in these conditions. EURCAD pretty similar. GPCHF, someone sent it. It's good supply above liquidity. Let's see some other pairs that usually are not on my watch list. Euro JPY. Euro GPY, we are overall bearish, lower lows, lower highs. The last break of structure to the downside is this one, and therefore we have possible areas to trade from, which are this one, the one just above, or the extreme one. USD CAD just straight in a downtrend. Yes, just like GP CAD. NZD USD actually. Let's see NZD USD, finding something that looks interesting at least. Supply area. Here, this move from the supply area is really, really strong. Breaking these levels. We go on lower time frames on NZD USD. And I'm actually interested into this pair. Let's see. Finally, at least something that looks interesting. Let's see, confirmation. Confirmation arrived already. Minor confirmation was breaking this. Now we can take out the Asia session. Major confirmation after taking out this. Okay. And looking for shorts on NZD USD. All right. We need lower time frame entry videos. I just shared one the other day. I shared a new video about lower time frame entries. Go and check it out. Euro USD buys after Asian lows are taken out. I don't know, man. Well, we actually broke structure to the upside, and yeah, doesn't look bad. I will just keep a look at it. We have some charts. Is this HF 15 minutes? It's good. We break also the supply to the upside. This is good. Yeah. This doesn't work. USD CAD. Let me see. This looks good overall. I would say is below all the liquidity, the retail level liquidity, strong demand. Looks good actually, but confirmation. This is 1 hour. Look for confirmation on 5 or 3 minutes. What is this? GPUSD, you're waiting for a breakout structure. But then there is this arrow to the upside. What are you exactly looking at? Sells or buys? So here, as you can see, we're holding the zone. We will look at sells only after we break it. GP CAD, let's